Honorable Governor, East New Britain, people of East New Britain, our people in the region, standing today in silence with the heart heavy, because your loss is also our loss. And today represented in officially handing over the 13 bodies to the immediate family, to the government of East New Britain, and to the people of East New Britain, Honorable Governor Chan, Honorable Tasia, member for Kavieng, and Honorable Walter Snowbell, member for Namatanai, stood with you and your people, because we know that our traditional ties are missed out. Time body come slip long here, custom long New Ireland, it must slip, Governor. Custom long New Ireland ito, body come, na stop, Mimi own him, province you own him, governor you own him, people belong New Ireland he own him, because he can't slip, na die, long Solwara, long New Ireland. Na today, long this Sunday, Governor Chan, the people of New Ireland, his Provincial Executive Council, Provincial Administrator, and the public servants across the 10 LLG pay tribute and respect to the bodies. Today, Makim government of New Ireland, one promise, Makim administration from New Ireland, a 10th administration, Makim governor, office, yung governor Makim Murat LLG, Makim Central LLG, respect, honor, and we pay tribute to the body. Makim, Kamagil, Makim, Namatanai LLG, President and the people of Namatanai, Makim, Kamagil, Namatanai, President and the people of Matalai, Makim Kanil, President and the people of Kanil LLG, Makim Timamar, President and the LLG, Murat, President, Deputy Governor and his people, also Makim Desmasore. Kaya lang sila morning, cry belong all people of New Ireland, Iwan Kaisa Solomon, cry belong sila family, the lost. Cry belong New Ireland, Iwan Kaisa Solomon, cry belong people belong East New Britain. There, long Despla. Morning. That is the traditional part of it. You have President Central New Ireland, Central New Ireland, and President Namatanai, representing the people of Namatanai and the people of New Ireland. Provincial government, the Talang des Plapiran, you give him 20,000. Long Halloween you, people blow you, particularly the disease. Treasurer, member for Kavieng, the people blow Kavieng, they give him up to 20,000. Long Halloween, all people blow East New Britain, government blow you, long support him, repatriating body out long Kavieng. Total of 40,000. Governor, President. Makim, member from Namatanai, also Snowbell, second secretary representing him today. I mean, like supporting you to helping you with 30,000 to support the repatriation of the body from you. Time belong sorry. Time belong sorry one time. Time belong on him custom one time. Custom is the fabric of New Guinea Islands, particularly East New Britain, New Ireland. And today, that's the custom, and we saw him also, the history of East New Britain derived from this land. And that is why Governor Chan, member for Namatanai, member for Kavieng, people of New Ireland, they come sharing this time I tell you, as we formally and the 13 bodies, 6 plus 13, we play officially anymore now we're going to Honorable Governor, tribe long people, you kisim, na express him, part of our family and our people, from East New Britain and your government. That we allow this time for our Honorable Governor to say a few words before you may officially anymore body or body.